OPPO Enco W31 is a pair of truly wireless earphones with an in-ear design. Let's get to the unboxing of the OPPO Enco W31. The earphones come packed in this small box. Opening the box, you will see the carrying case that contains the Enco W31. There's a set of user manuals along with the charging cable and 2 tips of earbuds. The earphones come in this carrying case that doubles up as a charger. With the case, these earphones can last for around 15 hours. The earphones are also IP54 rated, making it resistant to dust and water. The W31 features smart touch controls that lets you manage music playback, pick up calls, and even activate voice assistant. So that was a quick look at the OPPO Enco W31. Thanks for watching this video.